Lakme Fashion Week this year we presented a show that explored the interaction between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. When these two comes together, they open up remarkable creative possibilities. We work up with photographs of real models, and then we use AI to generate multiple looks and multiple digital twins. But behind this show is something even more powerful: the collective effort of 160 students across 5 Pearl Academy campuses. From concept to execution, this was made possible through collaboration, experimentation, and tremendous amount of artwork behind the scene.
I'm feeling super excited. My garments being presented at Lakmé Fashion Week.
There's a lot of preparation, there's a lot of hard work gone into it.
I'm feeling amazing. This is my first time.
Thank you to Pearl Academy for this amazing opportunity. It was crazy, it was amazing.
Thank you everyone and Pearl for today.
I had a dream that one day my garment will go on a ramp, and today I got the opportunity to present my garment.